I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by powering the vehicle to accessory or RUN so sync is active. Do not remove power mid-procedure. Once done, verify which sync version you have, My Ford Touch or Sync 3, because menus differ. Make sure paired phones and media are backed up. A master reset erases Bluetooth, settings, and favorites. With the system on, open settings immediately and be ready to follow the version-specific prompts. Proceed deliberately to avoid partial resets that can leave the system. Now execute the reset. For Sync 3, go to Settings, then System, and choose Master Reset. And for My Ford Touch, go to Settings, General, then Master Reset. Tap Confirm when the screen asks and watch the progress. Do not turn off the ignition. The unit will reboot and apply factory defaults, which may take 10 to 15 minutes depending on software and hardware. Once the reboot completes, the system returns to initial setup screens and is ready for repairing and configuration. Finish by repairing your phone and restoring any settings or navigation favorites you noted earlier. Make sure Bluetooth and phone permissions are enabled. If the screen is unresponsive after reset, try a soft reboot, power cycle vehicle, or remove the sync fuse for 30 seconds, then reinsert. This clears hung processes without dealer tools. If problems persist, check for a firmware update via Ford website or schedule dealer diagnostics. Software corruption or hardware faults require professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.